A man is burdened with 8 tickets, but when the judge reviews the case, something strange emerges. The same officer ticketed him twice in 18 minutes.
The city of Detroit. Mr. Love, can you hear me now?
Yes, I can.
City of Detroit versus Andrew Sante Love, case numbers. SP 147987001, SP 1479871, SP 1502882, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1502886, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please. Somebody here on Love? Oh, did we leave?
Yes, I am. I'm here.
No, I'm talking about a lawyer. This Harris's device step timed out or something.
Well, she was already assigned to the patient, but she.
All right, Mr. Oh, well, here we go. Ms. Harris, can you put your appearance on the record for Mr. Andrew Love, please?
Sharika Harris, on behalf of Mr. Love, please state your name.
Andrew Love.
Today is a date and time set for a free trial. Mr. Love, blocking traffic 175, improper plate 240. We'll dismiss all the other matters. None of them abstract to the Secretary of State. Misdemeanor, improper plate will dismiss when you make the payment. 140, 140, strike that. 175, we'll clear it up. Let me let you speak to Ms. Harris in the breakout room. Join the room, please.
The judge offered a simple deal, but there's a huge twist to this story.
Okay. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Love.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Love, I've given you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
One of the first things we wanted to inquire is the date and time of the tickets.
Which one?
All of them, Your Honor. Is it 6 or 7 matters, or is it just 3?
8.
8. Okay.
Okay, failure to stop. July the 20th, 2023. Somebody paid $130 for it. No insurance on the same date. Another no insurance on September the 23rd, 2023. That went along with improper display of plate and the seatbelt ticket. And no insurance September 23. So I have 2 no insurance on the same date, 2 seatbelt tickets on the same date, and 2 improper display of plates on the same date. Let's see what's going on here. Officer Young and Gibson at 9:48 wrote tickets. That's the time they put. And then on the other set, at 9:30, Officer Young. Let's see, Grand River and Fisher Freeway on the 9:30 ticket. And Fisher Freeway and second on the 9:48 ticket. So either, the only thing I can deduce is either they pull them over twice in the span of 15 or 18 minutes, or somebody put 2 tickets in duplicate.
It's not right.
Yes,
Something
hold
not
on,
right.
Mr. Love. Hold on, Mr. Love. Mr. Love indicates that he's come down to the court and he's had a discussion with someone regarding these. And it sounds like they may have fixed something in terms of there were duplicate tickets. He probably could do a better job explaining. Mr. Love, the only thing you need to tell the court is you came and you talked to someone about the tickets. Please don't tell us about why you were stopped and anything of that nature.
Well,
Correct.
I'll even stop him. Because before he says anything, because I'm only going by the ROA, and I'm not, I know it looks to be a little awkward to me as well. And not that you couldn't get pulled over twice in 15 minutes by the same officer. I don't see why that would happen unless, I don't know, unless they told you, get out the car, leave the car here and don't drive it. And then they saw you driving it 15 minutes later. But I mean, this seems like a matter that we set a trial date for. If he's got insurance, he said he has insurance, I believe, is, you know, what did I say? Blocking traffic and no insurance misdemeanor?
Blocking
But if you
traffic,
want,
improper plate.
improper plate, yeah. If you want to speak, you can speak, sir.
I mean, I'd rather take what you said first because it sounds better, but I don't know why they ticketed me twice. I didn't get pulled over twice. So that's really all I have to say.
Well, why don't we just set a trial date in the matter? You bring your insurance and stuff in if you have it, and I'm sure the city will give you something on that, and then we'll solve it like that.
I mean, I'd rather just pay it and get it over with because I don't want to drag it out, to be honest.
Well, Ms. Harris?
My advice would be to set it for a trial date, but if the court is inclined to allow a responsible to blocking traffic and the other civil infraction of
Do you have
improperly displayed
insurance?
plate.
I do.
Let's see the insurance, please.
This looks a little awkward. Even the judge is suspicious. After all this evidence, will the defendant choose a trial or take the deal?
Yes,
Last
sir.
time. Ms. Harris, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to Mr. Love. What are we gonna do with these cases?
Your Honor, I think you were giving him an offer at one point.
Yeah, he was gonna show me some insurance. Show me that insurance that you have.
Can you see it?
Oh, okay, I got some insurance. So what I'm gonna do, give him blocking traffic and improper display. Well, I got insurance. Let me do that. All right, blocking traffic, $175. We'll dismiss the other matters. All right.
Yes.
And we stipulate to the face of the ticket for purposes of the factual basis, and we stipulate to probable cause for the dismissals.
I bet you do. All right. With that, I'm gonna find your client responsible for the admitted count of blocking traffic. It's a 0-point offense. It doesn't abstract to the Secretary of State. Therefore, it doesn't carry any points. And I'm gonna dismiss the other matters for providing valid documentation for the insurance. I don't know what this is proper display. And it's because it's duplicative as well, so I believe. Guess we'll never know, really.
Lloyd, she never had the assessment,
Boy, Janisha.
so she's got to get a referral. Got to go back to her.
On the record.
Here you go. Yeah,
What's that?
let's do this. Let's get her in touch with you. Let's get her in touch.
But Judge, it goes to a blind draw. It goes to a random thing. So it's gotta be rotated.
All right, I'm gonna find your client responsible for the minute counter blocking traffic, $175. Dismiss the other matters for the reasons I put on the record. I'm gonna give you 2 weeks to pay it. Pay it by November 27, 2023. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. You can upload that. I'm told you can upload that DivDat app to your phone, all right?
So seven.
This for Mr. Love, right?
Right.
Yeah, you said upload what now?
So you can upload the DivDat app. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone. That's a way of paying it. If you pay it at the kiosk, in the stores, they got them in the Myers and all that, or you can upload that DivDat app to your phone. It goes through immediately, just like you would come down in person to pay it. Some people want to pay it online, but you pay it online and it doesn't go through immediately. It takes a long time for it to go through. So I'm giving you to the 27th to figure it out.
Okay,
All right. There's nothing further, sir. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
thank you.
After all that, he chose to just pay the fine. Maybe he just wanted to be done with it. What would you have done in his place? Let me know in the comments and subscribe.